everyone, in today's vlog I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of filming a video. So I'm going to show you how I like to plan, how I like to prepare, how I take the shots, and then a little bit of post-production as well, which includes editing. And I'll show you everything, how I make my thumbnail and literally the entire process behind uploading a YouTube video. I am a paper and pen sort of person, so I really like to kind of brain dump all my thought process and how I would like to start the video, what kind of shots I would be kind of doing. This is what the topic of the video is, and then this was just me kind of like jotting down what all I could include about it, and just write down everything, just put all of my thoughts across, and then kind of, you know, put it in points. And yeah, so this is kind of how I like to plan. And this way, see, all the shots are written down. I know exactly what to shoot. So here, you know, in the beginning I have written down, you know, show the face mask and show the PR unboxing. Then how do we use clay? I researched a lot, and then I kind of wrote down everything as simply as I could, and I really wanted this video to be very informative, so I kind of broke everything down, literally down to the buy and subscribe and like my goal. The product that I'm going to shoot for is the super volcanic pore clay mask, and you guys have heard me speak about this so much. I usually like to take my product shots on like a white clean background with a little bit of leaves, and I also kind of like unboxed the PR package and did like a few shots here. So as you can see, I get like a nice light coming in from the window, and you get a really nice aesthetically pleasing sort of a shot here. I went ahead and made myself a cup of coffee, and this is usually where I like to shoot. I really like this white clean background. I've also kept everything prepared next to where I'm filming. So I have the product that I'll be shooting with, a brush to apply the face mask. I kept like a claw clip to help me secure my hair. I obviously have my flow here with me, kept a towel and also a sponge with some water to get rid of the face mask. So this way, once I am sitting down to film, I don't really have to get up again and again, and that really disrupts the framing and the composition, because you know, I might not come back and sit in the exact same position. I have everything prepared, and mentally I just feel so organized and ready to get filming. This is the camera and audio equipment I use. My tripod is from Vanguard that I ordered from Amazon. Then I have this camera. It's from Canon. It's their EOS R, and this is the kit lens that comes with it. It has a zoom feature, so it has 24 to 105 mm, so you get a good wide and a very good close-up as well with this. And the microphone that I use is the Rode video mic. It has a little bit of lipstick on it. This is called a dead cat, which is such a sad thing, but basically it helps in cutting any of external noise like the fan or AC, and you just connect it to the camera, and it records audio simultaneously with the video recording. And this does not really need any extra battery or anything, so I really like this. So I'm going to keep you guys there as I try to create the frame. I'm just putting the camera in front of me and turning it on and figuring out what works the best. The flip screen really helps me in kind of figuring out where I would like to set the camera, and this looks like a good position. So now I'm going to start filming. Also, time to put my phone on do not disturb and silent. Have you ever wondered why we use clay masks on our face? Have you ever wondered why we use clay masks on our face? Let's talk about it with one of my favorite clay masks. This is the Innisfree Super Volcanic 4 clay mask twice X. So this is where, where I have kind of filmed the unboxing and close-up of the packages would kind of come over. Why do we use clay? Let's find out why we use clay. So clay has this property: when it's wet, it soaks up. When clay is wet, it swells up. When clay is wet, the molecules swell up and they absorb all of the impurities, the sebum on your skin, and as it dries, it kind of sucks it into the center. That's it. Now you know why we use clay masks on our skin. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video was informative for you guys. That's it. We are done filming the talking part. Now we're going to film the application part. So I'm not going to talk while I'm applying the product on my skin. So I'm just kind of like checking if I said everything in case I missed anything or not. I'm pretty sure I kind of have everything covered, and now it's just time for me to apply the face mask and then we'll be done. So I'm done applying the face mask and I'm just waiting for it to dry. I'm on YouTube killing some time and also working on some post for my Instagram and kind of doing like a few stories here and there. So I'm just waiting for this to dry out completely and then I'm going to take the after shot. Okay, so now because I have the face mask on, I am going to use that for the thumbnail picture. I don't know if it's even visible, but this is, oh my god, look who it is. Shadow. She is a curious cat. I'm just waiting for her to settle down and then we'll take the thumbnail pictures. She is my assistant director today. She's helping me take the pictures. Are you helping me take the pictures? Oh, you look so pretty. So when I touch on this screen, it automatically takes a picture. See? Like, I'm taking a few with the product because I think it looks nice. Shadow is playing with this. The pictures are coming out nice. I think we got it. This is a nice picture. Got a few. I'm done filming, so I'm going to take the SD card that I filmed with and insert that into my computer. This is the SD card that I usually like to use. Alright, time to edit this video. The newer generations of MacBook Pros do not come with a SD card reader. So I have this external drive that kind of has a lot of different kind of options. You've got USB, you've got micro SD, SD, headphone jack. I don't know what these, HDMI cable I'm guessing, and I don't know the rest. So I like to insert the SD card here like so, and then my computer is going to read that and it's going to open up my Final Cut Pro automatically, and you see all of the files here that I just shot. I have selected all of the files that I need to import and just going to import that. So just going to give it a name. Let's call it clay masks for now. So I have all of my media in here. Obviously there's one with shadow. Look at that face. But yeah, I have all of my files here and I'm going to start editing. I really like these shots. They've come up really nice. So for me, my next task is going to go through all of the imported media and kind of create a project down here where I'm going to edit everything together. And I have my notebook in here, so this is going to help me with the flow of the video. It's been like an hour and a half. Look who decided to join me. She was actually sitting behind me in the chair. But it's been like an hour and a half since I've been editing. I've made quite a lot of progress, but it does take quite a lot of amount of time. A lot of little details are to be added. So like, you know, I've been like selecting the file, writing down things, you know, kind of putting these effects. I also have, of course, I had to take shadow. And you know, just kind of put in all of these details. I've been writing all of this, everything that is there in the mask, putting in close-ups of my skin. Yeah, so right now I'm kind of explaining what AHAs are. I think that would be quite helpful. So as and when I'm speaking, I'm also kind of like, you know, writing down details about what I'm speaking. And yeah, there's lots and lots to kind of do. I've only reached like 25% of the video. I think I'll be done in another hour. Sushi is currently helping me. Yes, Sushi. It's 7 and we are finally done with editing the entire video. Okay, so it turned out to be a 4-minute, like I think 5-minute video, and it took me so long to edit. I put in a lot of details and a lot of work into the video, and right now I'm just waiting for the video to be exported. So once that is done, I will be uploading it on YouTube. Alright, so now let's upload this video on YouTube. That is the upload button right there. And I'm just going to select the file. And YouTube is going to upload it. Okay, time for me to edit the thumbnail pictures. Remember those pictures we took? I am just going to airdrop those into my phone, and I like to use my phone to edit the thumbnail, and I usually use the app called Canva on my phone to kind of edit the thumbnail. So this is the image that I am going to use as a thumbnail. So what I like to do is actually use the iPhone's auto edit feature, and that kind of does it for me. I don't need to edit it any further. And now I'm going to put it on Canva, write something, and that's it. So this is what the thumbnail looks like. I've kept it very simple, yet you get the idea of exactly what the video is about. Okay, so the video has finished uploading. What I'm going to do now is see how YouTube automatically picks a thumbnail, and I don't want that. So I'm going to upload my own thumbnail, which I just made, and put it there. And now I'm just going to fill in the details. Now what I'm going to do is actually save the video as unlisted, and I'm going to upload it whenever I want to upload my video next. So that brings us to an end to this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and got to see behind the scenes of how I like to produce my content. And if you are a budding YouTuber, I really hope this helped you out. The camera that I'm filming this vlog with is the Canon G7X, and the program that I was using to edit my video is called Final Cut Pro 10, and I have bought Final Cut Pro for my laptop from the App Store. Yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to share. The app that I used to edit my thumbnail is called Canva. You can just go to canva.com. They have lots and lots of templates that's going to help you make your thumbnail, and a lot of other content as well, not just YouTube thumbnails. And yeah, if you have any questions about creating content, lighting, anything, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to help you guys out. And I want you guys to help me out by subscribing to my channel. I would love to reach 300k, and I'm actually planning on hosting a really big giveaway when that happens, and I'm hoping that happens before my birthday, which is on the 26th of September. Also planning on doing September. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'll try and do every other day, hopefully. I don't know. Let me know if you guys would want me to do September. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.